Simone Sharice. Today is a new day. Last night I did my makeup. I recorded about 4 videos. No, I recorded about 3 videos last night. But I was like, damn, my makeup is still popping. And it was 3 a.m. And I was like, you know what? If I sleep on my back like this, I could still preserve the makeup. So that's what I did. I preserved the makeup. This is me fresh on the camera, guys. I know this is so nasty. But I want to show you guys my unboxing of my RPG wig. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to style it. Then I'm going to go in the shower because I'm going out to brunch. So it kind of like works into play. I didn't want to be ugly on camera. So that's kind of why. Yeah. Alright, so today's wig is from RPG, and I've worked with them plenty of times, so you guys are familiar with the whole unboxing thing. This is how everything looks. Now, I'm actually wearing the Raven Elise wig, so I'm so excited to see how it looks. She slays this shit all the time, so I mean, she slays this wig all the time. So I really honestly was like, oh my god, I need to have my hands on that blonde, because the blonde is just so perfect. So it's called the Raven Elise, and it is 20 inches long. I chose everything to be exactly like the picture. So let's go ahead and take it out of its package. This is how it comes packed. Oh, this color is so pretty. So excited. This is how inside looks. So for you guys that know, you know how inside it comes with 2 combs right here, and then it comes with a 3rd comb back here. And then I love this because you can also see that the knots actually do not need to be bleached. So if you want to bleach it, I guess you can, but I'm not sure what you'll be bleaching if you do end up bleaching. I'm not sure what you'll be bleaching. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, and the back comes with like a little piece of lace in case you wanted to put your hair in a ponytail. And this is the front. So actually, I'm just gonna put this right on my head immediately and style it. Now the roots, come on camera, focus. Now the roots are not jet black. They're not a harsh black. They're actually brown. So it kind of helps it to gradually, smoothly go into the blonde, which is actually really cool. So I'm going to actually style this. So I'm gonna do it now and then take a shower. Oh my god, this looks so cute. Look how it's just, oh yes, look at that. Shh. I'm going to New York tomorrow. This is probably going to be my New York wig. Oh, Raven, you're not the only one about to slay this wig. But what I'm going to actually do to start this process is, 1, I need a headband. Alright, so I absolutely dread having to show you guys my background, but I want to show you guys how the wig looks. So this is kind of what we're working with right now. Do you like me like this? Do you like me like that? So actually, I'm not going to put a headband in this one. I'm going to actually use the combs right here to kind of put it in my hair. What I'm going to actually do is pluck my part because I need my part to be a little bit wider. I usually like to wash my wig, but I didn't wash this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and get started immediately. So they already gave me like a semi-middle part. So I'm not going to really shift that, but I am going to open it because I personally like my parts to look a little bit more natural. And this hairline is a little bit too straight for me. So I'm probably just going to go in and just nab out a little bit of hair. So let me go ahead and get started on that. Oh, the tweezer that I'm using today, guys, is this tweezer. I need to be done with this entire hairstyle by 10:40. Now, do not make your part too wide. I always stress this. If you guys watched my last RPG video, I was like, listen, we ain't parting the Red Sea. So don't make your part too wide. Like, you're going to be really upset at yourself. Now, I don't know. Something about right here is driving me a little bit nuts. I think because it's just way too jagged, the dark brown. I don't know if I'm loving it, but I'm going to try to make myself love it. So let's just, yeah, I feel like it should have been, the brown should have been gradually, like smoothly went out into the blonde. I feel like it's just so harsh for me, and I really like when like it looks really neat. So that's the only thing that's probably like gonna pick at me, but for the most part, lace is now cut. I'm really showing you guys my whole entire setup right now just for the sake of the hair. So ignore whatever mess you guys see going on and ignore whatever you see back here, okay? I don't like showing this, but you know what? I gotta show you guys everything, and just showing you my neck up is not gonna be useful, so yeah. Next, I like to go in and, yo, this looks so amazing. I like to go in and just layer the hair a little bit. I don't mind having it to be straight all the way down, but I like to just give it a little bit of body and definition. So the way I always start is I part out 2 pieces right here. And I actually learned this from YouTube, so don't blame me if I'm wrong. Blame the person. I'm not gonna tell you who the person is though. I cannot see anything right now, so I'm hoping these come out perfect. Oh no, you don't want it to be blunt though. Kind of going with like loosey kind of curls. Nothing too heavy or major, just loose curls. You see I have this end part sticking out. So this is kind of the look I'm going for. Long, loose curls. RPG hair had like a certain smell that smells so freaking good. Like I must know what kind of shampoo they use. If I put a shampoo or conditioner, whatever they're using, it smells so freaking good. You know, it's probably the toner they put in this because it smells amazing. No, actually the red wig I got smelled very good too. No, the red wig smelled good, and then after like 5 months, it started to smell like a little bit like corn chips. So at first these curls probably look like ill, but they're not. They're really cute. Tresemme hairspray, and I'm gonna actually just spray it. Wait, it's brand new, so hold on. I have like 3 bottles of this thing. Okay. Just gonna kind of scrunch it up. So you want to scrunch. You want it to be like that messy, like Caucasian girl look. Okay, you want to scrunch, but not like too crazy. Give it some body. Woo! And this thing dries quick, so make sure your hair is brushed out beforehand. I'm gonna flatten the top of my head. I'm just gonna hold this here. So for the little flyaways up here, I'm just gonna use my, oh, this is looking real sexy. I wish you guys could see this in person. I'm gonna use my hairspray, and then I'm gonna use these like clips, these like clamp clips right here. Right now, this is what I got. Now, the part that sucks is I have to go take a shower. So I'm gonna have to put this all into a bun and, well, put it in a shower cap, and then I'm gonna have to wash my face off and come back and redo this look. So right now, but now for real, like literally, I started this at 10:05 if you guys remember, and it's 10:30 and my hair is done. So what I love about RPG is that I could just take it out the box and put it on my head. Like I didn't even wash it. Usually I like to wash my wig, but I didn't even wash my wig. I kind of just put it on my head, but it looks freaking amazing. So I'm gonna wear this shirt for today. It's a brand new shirt from Fashion Nova. I'm not dirty, okay? I'm gonna wear this shirt. It's a brand new shirt from Fashion Nova. I kind of just put this on because I slept naked and oh wait, I forgot I didn't glue this on. Okay, just take that off. I'm going in the shower.
Arms outstretched.
it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video.